for another Technics video. Today we have a Toyota Alphard. This engine, it have some problem with oil circulation, damaged the crankshaft, and we're replacing the engine. After taking out the engine, normally this van have a problem with the steering rack and the bushings. So while I have the engine out, I'm going to just deal with these bushings because it's much easier to change these bushings. And this is the steering rack right there. And you can see all this steering rack shaking. This means this bushing gone out complete. So, you know, when the driver driving the van, you know, it always want to serve from one side to the other. Sometimes when you're driving, you constantly have to correct the steering like that to keep the vehicle go straight. This is the kind of problem that caused the vehicle to behave in that way. So as I say, we're going to just address this area of the vehicle while the engine is out. The engine installation is completed. Now to give it a start. Engine sounding good. Taxi is ready to go back into service. Another great job from Technics Auto. Give us a call to change your engine.